Hi guys, we are launching this event called Taking Best Fund Manager 2020, and for everyone who participate will get a certificate for that. So what you do, you have to imagine a 1 lakh rupees of notional money, imaginary money, and do invest that. You can invest that in gold, you can invest that in equity, you can invest that in ETF, commodity, or mutual fund. Anywhere you want to invest, you can invest that. For example, gold have gone up 50% in the last 1 year, but does not mean it will further go up. Yeah, equity have came down drastically in the last 3 months, but does not mean it will go down further. So last date of entry is 30th of April. You can do your entry and the winner will be decided on May 1st. Yeah, so what you do in this, the format is you have to make a 1 lakh rupees ka plan, imaginary plan. You can invest in one share or a bunch of shares. We'll track the movement for 1 week. 1 week will track who is going up, who is going down. The top 20 gainer will get the certificate for the best fund manager. All participants will get a certificate. So this is where you have to join. Put your email address, name, location, phone number, and investment. Investment here you have to mention that Reliance 20,000 rupees, gold 10,000 rupees, this 20,000, 10,000. This is a sample investment which I have made. Reliance 20,000, HDFC 20,000, ICICI Bank 20,000, ONGC and Petronet LNG 20,000. This is the way I invest 1 lakh rupees. So you can invest whatever you want to invest. Participatory certificate to everyone. Yeah, and top 20 winners will get the winner certificate. Yeah, this is how your sample certificate will look like for this is the winner certificate, best fund manager, and the sample certificate will look like this. There's no name on the sample certificate. It's like a lot of events happen. See, if you want the name wala certificate, it'll take me minimum 1 month because I'm expecting around 1,000 people to participate minimum. Yeah, so एक का hand certificate बनाना है, mail merge करके करना, it will take minimum 1 month to get it. Here, for the moment you submit, you will get the certificate. Yeah, and everyone who participate will get a Neo Fund Manager ka certificate. Neo mean new fund manager. So this you can write on the resume immediately. So the moment you put your entry here, the moment you press the button submit, it will take you for a thank you note for participation and you can download the certificate immediately. So I don't need to wait for that. Yeah, there's a certificate. Okay, now come the main question. Sir, I got one message today morning. Okay, sir, what is the value of this certificate? Will this certificate help me to get a job? भाई हमारी 4 साल की BE 3 साल का BCom का वैल्यू नहीं रहा तो ये 10 मिनट का एक्टिविटी का वैल्यू क्या होएगा? But it will help us on the resume. I'm adding one line that I've been a Neo fund manager. I invested 1 lakh rupees. Yeah, so we can talk about that in the interview. Yes, it will help you up to a level, but will not get you a job or will not get you IIM Ahmedabad because you participated in this 10 minute ka contest. Yeah, so this is you have to do the entry. One student said, sir, where is the money? Where is this 1 lakh rupees? That is a notional money, but it's a fake money. You have to imagine the money and just recommend in this investment where you're going to invest in this table. Just mention. It can be as easy as Reliance 1 lakh. Sida khatam. Yeah, or it can be as big as 5 shares, 6 shares. Okay, so this is an event open to all. Last date for the entry is 30th April. You just have to submit and you'll get the certificate for participatory for everyone. And for the top 20 winners will get the best fund manager certificate. Now, sir, I'm already investing in stock market. Why I need to do all these things? Okay, you're investing in stock market. What is the proof? How can you write in the resume? Yeah, like for example, if you're dancing, you've been dancing, but you need to win some certificates or you need some certificates to prove that you are a dancer. Yeah, same way this certificate, fund manager certificate on the resume will help you, and this is for everybody, not only for marketing, not only for finance. Everyone should do that. Yeah, so as we go along, I'll be launching many more events like this, so do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so that we can participate in all these things. Yeah, next event is going to be a marketing event which I'm going to launch after 15 days. So that will be a marketing event that is coming within 15 days. So do participate in this thing, best fund manager contest. Last date is 31st. All right, all the best. If any question, please do ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to make a video for that with all the comments.